Hey guys, this is Code.org Express Course Lesson 7, Sticker Art with Loops. Our computer science standards for Lesson 7 are the same as they were for Lesson 6. So we're modeling programs to manipulate data using numbers and other symbols to represent information. We're developing programs with sequences and simple loops to express ideas. We're decomposing and breaking down steps to solve problems into precise sequences of instructions, and we're debugging. So our essential question is also the same: how do loops help simplify the code? This entire lesson is on code.org, so make sure you're signed in with your school Google account. Your grade for this lesson will be based on your programming in the lesson on code.org. Watching this video that you're watching right now is mandatory, so watch the video as you work your way through the lesson on code.org. As always, the best practice is to watch me do a step in this video, pause, and then complete that step on code.org. Repeat until finished. If you can't hear the code.org video inside of my video, you can always watch it on code.org. You can adjust the video quality to see a clearer video playback by clicking on the gear at the bottom of this video. And let's get started. Let's head on over to code.org. And we navigate by going to the Express course. We've already done lessons 1 through 6, so we are now on lesson 7, Sticker Art with Loops. Bubble 1 says, the artist is in the wrong spot. Use the jump to 200 over 200 down block to get the artist to the center of the play area. So 200, 200, right, is going to get him right here to the center of the play area. So 200x, 200y. Imagining this as a grid. Then draw a line 50 pixels long with the move forward by 50 pixels block. Okay. So I want to grab the jump to 200 over 200 down, and that's going to send him down here without drawing because he's jumping instead of walking. And then I'm going to use the move forward by 50 pixels right here. And I'm going to slow this down from rabbit down to like halfway between a rabbit and a turtle. What speed is like halfway between a rabbit and a turtle? I'm trying to think. Maybe like a hedgehog? Not like Sonic the Hedgehog, of course, because he'd be even faster than the rabbit. So just like a regular run-of-the-mill hedgehog. If you don't know what a hedgehog looks like, they're so cute. They are so super cute. So cute. All right. That's enough cuteness. Let's run it. Boom. Done. Hedgehog speed. Continuing. Bubble 2. Now, put this code into a repeat block and loop it 6 times. Notice that we have added a 60-degree turn at the end of the looped code to get a full rotation. All right. So I'm imagining it's going to draw this asterisk in the middle. And I need to grab the repeat block, pull this into it, repeat it 6 times, and run. Sweet. Let's continue. Bubble 3. Let's add some style. I'm always happy about adding style to stuff. Yeah. Let's add some style by changing the brush using the set pattern block before our loop starts. So let's grab the set pattern block. We'll pop it up here above the block, not inside the block, but above the block. We're going to set the pattern. Obviously, you can set it to lots of things. I'm going to set it to this guy right here. We're going to run it. So it's running the same code within the repeat block, but we've told it to draw it using the set pattern. Let's try something else. We're talking about hedgehogs, so let's do some footprints, see what that looks like. So if your animal was in the woods and it wanted to confuse the hunter, it could run this code with its footprints, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Mr. Decker's living in imaginary land. Oh, cool. Candy striping. Let's run that. All right. So you get the gist of it, right? Anything you run it with on the set pattern, it's setting a rule for what this code draws it in. Okay. Bubble 4 says, this icon means this level is part of a larger project. Changes will be saved across these levels. I get so paranoid. Okay. Free play. Let's build something bigger one step at a time. Get the artist to the center of the play area using the jump to middle center position. Got it. Then use the draw sticker block. Let's make this bigger so we can see all of our instructions at once. That's another thing. Just a reminder, you can control the size of your workspace, size of the instruction panel using this. Like once you hover over this spot right here and you have a double arrow like that, you can move things around. Okay. Then use the draw sticker block to make something appear. Okay, draw sticker. What do I want to draw? Whoa, there's a lot of options. I'm going to draw a robot. Press finish when you are happy with what you've made. Run. Oh. Okay. So if I turn him left 90 degrees before he draws it, there we go. Okay, now he's right side up. But let's reset, run it. I just want to draw like that. Okay. Finish, I guess. Bubble 5. So, like I said on the last one, whenever you see this workspace icon, this little bubble right here, it means this icon is, this icon means that this level is part of a larger project. Changes will be saved across these levels. Good to know. Always good to know that stuff. All right. Now, use a loop to make more copies of your sticker. Try changing the numbers in the turn and repeat blocks to make different patterns. Press finish when you are happy with what you've made. Okay, so you can make some patterns with these guys. So let's use a repeat. And we're going to snap that in. And we're going to turn left by, let's say, 30 degrees. And let's run it 6 times. See what happens. I didn't run it enough times. So let's try 18 times. Reset run. More than enough times. Okay, cool. Let's try 14 times. Reset run. All right, I'm happy with that. And we will finish right there. Continue. Bubble 6. Bubble 6 says, so much fun. Now add a second sticker right on top of the first one to make an image like the ones below. All right. So what do we want to stack on top of the robot? Let's go with something more colorful. I was thinking the rocket ship, but we already got a lot of gray. I'm kind of digging this pirate guy. I do like the bat, though. Let's do the bat. All right, and I want to draw that one. Let's try a different turn left, and let's try like 45 degrees with that. Let's see if it makes a difference if I leave that out. Kind of, sort of. I kind of like that. All right. Bubble 7. Edit your code so that you jump forward between drawing the two stickers. In this puzzle, make sure you have jump to the middle center position inside of your loop so you stay in the center. Okay. Press finish when you are happy with what you've made. So I'm going to send him out. So jump forward by, let's say, 50 pixels. Now let's draw it. I'm actually really liking this because it kind of looks like the bat is sitting on his forehead. I dig it. All right. Finish. Continue. Bubble 8. And obviously, right, you can do different things than what I'm doing. You don't have to do this exactly the way I'm doing it, as long as you're understanding how it's working. What happens when you replace one or both of the stickers with a different creature? So let's replace them both. Let's go with zombie, and let's put, what do we want to put on the zombie's head? A ghost? Sure. You know, it kind of looks like he was trying to put a ghost mask on his head, and it didn't fit. I like it. Pictures are worth 1,000 words. Okay. What happens when you move forward, then move backward by 100, 200, or 400 pixels somewhere inside the loop? Move forward, then move backward. Okay, so let's move this 100, and then we'll move backward. Oh, it needs to be a move forward. I see. So let's change that back. And then move backward. Oh, okay. So it just draws a line from the middle of the zombie's face, like the ghost is coming out of his nose. Sure. All right. Add a third sticker anywhere in the loop that you want. What does it look like now? Change the pattern on your brush for more variety. Okay, so set pattern of the brush. It's coming out of his nose, right? So what comes out of a zombie's nose? Flowers? No, probably not. Like, that looks kind of like what would maybe come out of a zombie's nose. Add a third sticker. Zombies, ghosts, and what makes sense for zombies and ghosts? Let's see. Zombies, ghosts, and pirates, maybe? Sure. And let's see what happens. Oddly satisfying. All right. Bubble 11. Try changing the repeat loop to run a different number of times. How far do you have to turn to go around in a full circle? Try changing how many times you spin. Try a 60-degree turn for 6 times around. Try a 20-degree turn for 18 times around. First image uses a pirate, a ninja, and a giraffe. They loop 18 times with a 20-degree turn. So 20 degrees, 18 times, and first it wanted me to try a 60-degree turn for 6 times. So let's run that. I'll speed it up just a little bit. Okay, that's kind of cool. Now let's try the 20 degrees and 18 times. See what that looks like. Cool. I actually really like that. Okay. Finish. Continue. Wait, did I miss anything on that bubble? What was the last thing that it said? Oh, okay. Yeah, we're good. Last bubble. Now make something on your own. What happens when you make 2 separate circles of different stickers? Need an idea? Try making a design like this one. These designs are so little. Oh, okay. You can click on it and make it big. That makes sense. Okay, so let's set a pattern. Let's make it zigzags, squiggly lines. And let's jump him to the middle center position. Right? Is that how it was set up in the other one? Oh, yeah. Okay. No! It got rid of my stuff. What the heck? All right. Jump to the middle. Let's set the pattern to the zigzaggy. And then we need the repeat block. And we are going to say jump to middle because we wanted to keep coming back to the middle. And then let's draw purple dragon, purple dragon. And then let's turn left by 20 degrees. I kind of liked that earlier, the way that looked. And then let's just run that and see how it looks. Okay, so ran that 4 times. We need to run it 18 times because we chose 20 degrees. Speed it up. Okay, I like it. Now we need to, let's say, move forward by 100 pixels. Let's do like 125. And let's draw a peacock. See what that looks like. That's actually kind of neat. Let's pull that back in a little bit though. Let's do like 75. Yeah. All right, and then let's jump forward by 100 pixels, and we're going to draw ninja. Definitely a ninja. Okay, and then let's jump back. Let's do 75. 75. Cool. I like it. All right, finish. Continue. And that's it for this lesson. I hope you had fun, and I hope you got super creative. I'm going to check out what you did on Bubble 12.